Ever wondered what the premium cars of the future would look like? This next electric SUV, designed by HiPhi, aims to combine technology and luxury. This futuristic vehicle has a sleek, aerodynamic design and cutting-edge features like programmable pixel lights and a touch-free entry system. The car offers spacious seating for 6, a premium sound system, and an advanced AI assistant. It also offers multiple powertrain options and a range of up to 400 miles. The vehicle also features unique NT doors with various opening configurations, including a dramatic roof-hinged falcon wing option. The price is around $80,000. This next futuristic-looking flying vehicle is proving to be quite useful for transporting passengers between islands. This innovative wing-in ground effect vehicle comfortably carries up to 8 passengers between destinations easily. Powered by a reliable V8 engine, the vehicle reaches speeds of up to 92 miles per hour and flies at altitudes of up to 23 feet. Designed for comfort and safety, it's ideal for both tourism and VIP transfers. It was inspired by Soviet-era Ekranoplan's massive ground effect vehicles used for military purposes. It costs upward of $3 million. This concept vehicle is being developed by the joint efforts of Mercedes and Matanet, which aims to revolutionize last-mile delivery with this drone-equipped van. This efficient system combines a Mercedes van's cargo capacity with the speed and access of delivery drones. The van roof features automated drone launch and landing stations for maximum efficiency. Designed to streamline urban deliveries, this cutting-edge solution reduces delivery time and traffic congestion. This next all-terrain vehicle looks like a toy at first glance, but it is actually an inflatable amphibious vehicle made of double-wall fabric. With remote control capabilities, this versatile inflatable prototype can traverse land, water, and even snow. Individual wheel motors provide precise control and maneuverability, and it comes equipped with electric motors driven by wire. AirDrive creators welcome collaboration to develop this innovative concept further for various applications, including tourism and rescue missions. Turn heads with the Rezvani Beast Alpha and its unique Sidewinder doors. This high-performance supercar delivers a thrilling driving experience with up to 500 horsepower. Its standout feature is the Sidewinder door system, where the doors slide forward for a dramatic exit and entry. The custom-built Rezvani Beast Alpha offers unmatched style and exclusivity. The price starts at approximately $200,000. The company behind this compact submarine specializes in gadgets and surveillance equipment, and they have added a touch of espionage to this vehicle. This compact personal submarine offers a unique way to experience marine life. Enjoy a panoramic view from the aerated helmet as you explore depths of up to 40 feet. The Spymaster Mini-Submarine features a simple ride-on design for easy operation. With a runtime of 60 to 80 minutes, it's perfect for recreational underwater adventures. First featured in Office Pod Concept, a short film. Nissan is attempting to change the traditional work vans. This futuristic concept van reimagines the possibilities of a mobile workspace. The interior transforms into a fully equipped office with a retractable desk, computer monitor, and ample storage. The concept also features a unique exterior design with customizable LED lighting. Its compact size and adaptable interior make it ideal for professionals on the go. First introduced by Japan in 2021, the dual-mode vehicle can operate on conventional road surfaces as well as a railway track. This innovative vehicle seamlessly transitions between road and rail travel within seconds. DMVs utilize steel wheels for roads and retractable rubber tires for rail tracks. It comes in different sizes and models, each offering a unique solution for transportation in rural areas with integrated rail systems. From military to commercial use, this next innovation gives the boats the ability to walk. Equipped with retractable wheels, these amphibious boats effortlessly transition between land and water. It also offers various models for recreation, fishing and professional use. Powered by reliable outboard engines and a dedicated land engine, they provide a seamless land-water experience. The models start at around $80,000. Trucks are essential for a functioning economy. From transporting goods and materials to food, trucks are essential, and this next concept truck offers a glimpse into the brand's electric pickup vision. The features include a futuristic design, spacious interior, and a versatile RAM box storage system. It also promises innovative technologies and features that are yet to be revealed, but be rest assured, since the company behind this is known for its bold styling and powerful engines. Built in Finland, a country known for its rugged terrain and love of outdoor activities, you can also experience the power of innovation with the 18 Wheels electric ATV. This unique off-roader comes with 18 wheels, each with an independent electric motor for maximum traction and maneuverability. Its patented suspension system ensures a smooth ride over the most challenging terrain. The 18 wheels can carry up to 220 pounds of cargo and reach speeds of up to 68 miles per hour. Fully electric and environmentally friendly, this ATV leaves minimal impact on the environment. Known for its ultra-lightweight and high-performance vehicles, like the Atom, the company Ariel is a small-volume automaker. This British-built limited production supercar is a force to be reckoned with. It will be available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, with a staggering 1,196 horsepower option. The Hypercar also features a lightweight carbon fibre body and a minimalist, performance-oriented design. It costs over $1.3 million to own this. Developed by a Swiss team focused on sustainable urban mobility solutions, this vehicle is created to navigate urban environments with ease. This compact electric vehicle offers a convenient and eco-friendly solution for short commutes. Due to its compact design, 5 of these cars can comfortably fit into a single standard parking space. Powered by solar panels, it offers a range of approximately 37 miles on a single charge. It is designed for maneuverability and simplicity, making it ideal for city dwellers. The price is around $8,000. Designed by NGC Aerospace Limited, a company involved in various aerospace and clean energy projects, this next vehicle will change the definition of affordable mobility. This prototype hydrogen-powered vehicle prioritizes efficiency and sustainability. Its lightweight carbon fiber construction contributes to its impressive fuel economy. The car offers a range of around 250 miles on a single hydrogen refuel. Safety and affordability were key factors in its design, making it an attractive option for shared mobility solutions.